Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting or removing the Home Xbox setting for your Xbox One profile. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Before we start, please note that there is a limited amount of times you are allowed to change your Home Xbox. You can only do it 5 times per year. Launch your Xbox and sign in to your account. Click the Guide button on your controller to bring up the Guide menu. Scroll to the right until you get to System and then choose Settings. In General Settings, click on Personalization. Now select My Home Xbox from the bottom of the list. You will now have the option to either remove or add this Xbox as your home Xbox. If you set it as your home Xbox, then other accounts on this Xbox can play your games and get your Xbox Live benefits. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.